Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video guides you on how to create roles and allocate permissions within a system. Start by accessing the user list where you have the option to edit users and assign roles to them. Upon assigning roles, the permission list will automatically update to display all the permissions associated with that role. If multiple roles are assigned to a user, the permission list will combine and show permissions from all assigned roles. Let's delve into the steps to create a role and assign permissions. Begin by navigating to the Roles page where you can manually input a desired role name and add it. Should there be any mistakes in the details entered, you can easily delete and re-add the correct information. Once a role is added, a new tab labeled Role Permission will appear. Here you can select and configure the permissions list for the role. After editing and saving, the process of creating a role and assigning its permissions is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create roles and assign permissions. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.